Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, languages, other language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. As you can see, it's pretty big. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian language, and then to set Ukrainian as a system language, just tap on it. And as you can see, language changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then системні, мови та введення, мови, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.